Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best loud car horns that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Farbin Horns Auto Horn. This 12V dual-tone horn delivers a strong 130 decibel sound that ensures you're heard loud and clear on the road. It's built for safety, helping you attract attention and avoid accidents. With its low power consumption and high output, it's a solid choice for improving the overall sound quality of your vehicle's horn. The Farbin horn is made from durable ABS material with a waterproof shell, making it a reliable option even in extreme weather conditions. Its universal design fits most 12V vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, and trucks. Installing this horn is a breeze with its included mounting hardware, though you might need a bit of patience to ensure everything is aligned perfectly. Despite its impressive sound output, the Farbin horn does face some competition in terms of longevity and overall build quality. Its ABS shell might not feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. However, if you're looking for an affordable, loud, and waterproof horn, this one gets the job done. Just keep an eye on the durability over time. At number 4, we have the NeoGet car horn, a robust and versatile option for those seeking a reliable replacement horn. This 12-volt dual-tone horn boasts a noise level of 128 decibels, making it loud enough to get the attention of other drivers and pedestrians. It's designed with an echo structure for a more penetrating sound, ensuring it cuts through background noise effectively. The NeoGet horn is constructed with a durable ABS shell and features a 360-degree seamless sealing edge, providing excellent waterproofing. This makes it ideal for use in a variety of weather conditions. The copper coil inside ensures efficient conductivity and a long lifespan, while the universal fit design means it works with most vehicles straight out of the box. For vehicles with different horn connectors, the package includes additional wires for an easy installation. While the NeoGet horn scores high on performance and durability, its sound output, while loud, might not have the same tonal richness as some of the higher-ranked options. Still, with its solid build quality and competitive price, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable horn that delivers on both volume and longevity. Our number 3 pick is the Siwaya Auto Car Horn, a well-balanced choice for those looking for a combination of loudness, durability, and ease of installation. This 12-volt horn outputs a strong 120 decibels, which is a noticeable improvement over most stock horns. Whether you're driving in heavy traffic or need to alert a pedestrian, the Siwaya Auto Horn ensures you're heard when it matters most. This horn is designed with high-quality materials, including a pure copper spiral coil and an ABS plastic shell. It's also waterproof, so you won't have to worry about it failing in rainy or humid conditions. The installation process is straightforward, with no polarity to worry about, and the included mounting bracket ensures a secure fit. Its universal compatibility makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. On the downside, the 120 decibel output, while sufficient for most users, might not be loud enough for those who want an extra punch. Additionally, its modern design might not appeal to those looking for a more classic aesthetic. Nonetheless, the Siwaya Auto Horn is a dependable and user-friendly option that offers great value for its price. At number 2, we have the Blaugrün 2PCS 300 dB super loud train horns. This horn stands out with its advertised 300 decibel sound, which is admittedly a bit of an exaggeration. However, the horn is undeniably loud and effective at grabbing attention, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize maximum volume. The horn is crafted from high-quality ABS material, making it both durable and resistant to high temperatures. Its internal reflow design allows for clear and loud sound output, and the waterproof construction ensures consistent performance in all weather conditions. The horn is designed for universal compatibility, meaning it's suitable for cars, motorcycles, trucks, and even boats. The installation process is relatively simple, thanks to the included brackets and screws. while the Blaugrün horn impresses with its volume and versatility. Its build quality doesn't feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. Additionally, the claim of 300 decibels is misleading, which might disappoint buyers expecting an earth-shattering sound. Still, if you're looking for an extremely loud and affordable horn, this one is hard to beat. Taking the top spot is the Hella 007424801 Twin Trumpet High-Low Tone Horn Kit. Hella is a trusted name in automotive technology, and this horn lives up to the brand's reputation. With a sound level of 110 decibels, this horn may not be the loudest on the list, but its tonal clarity and reliability make it the best overall option for most drivers. What sets the Hella horn apart is its dual-tone design, which combines a 500 Hz high tone and a 400 Hz low tone to produce a rich and attention-grabbing sound. The trumpet-style design adds a touch of elegance while ensuring optimal sound projection. Built with premium materials, this horn is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use and adverse weather conditions. It comes with mounting brackets, a relay, and detailed instructions, making installation straightforward. While the Hella horn is slightly pricier than some other options, its combination of quality, performance, and brand reliability makes it worth the investment. It's an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers who want a horn that's both functional and stylish. The only downside is that it's not as loud as some of the other horns on this list, but its superior sound quality and durability more than make up for it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.